Can I just ask, you are noted. How many of you, when you go to a health facility, ask for the doctor's academic record? Okay. And also issues of just the code of conduct in the organization. It's a control mechanism. It ensures that people actually do what is expected of them in the organization. What's your take about, who's this doctor that's trending on Twitter, Dr. Qwabe? What's your take? Who knows about Dr. Qwabe? Okay, what's your take?
I wouldn't let him diagnose me, sorry.
You wouldn't let him? Why?
Okay, from our background, like in guys, you know those people who wear like that, who walk like that. I actually was curious for black behavior as well as acting in terms of the criminal section. So I feel like they were taking one.
Okay. You guys heard that. She wouldn't let Dr. Qwabe diagnose her because of the stereotype or taboo that exists. People who walk like that, who talk like that, etc. Who's with her? Seems you are alone on this one. Okay, why would you allow him to diagnose? You wouldn't. Okay.
Like I can tell you and I'll know like you are.
Yeah.
Maybe if I get it.
So presentation matters in a professional environment. Okay. Are you in agreement with them? It's a maybe. Okay.
So I just saw the picture they used to caption this story, and he was smoking. So I wouldn't, surely because of the reason, I wouldn't allow him to diagnose me or be my doctor because I'm not sure in terms of being sober, sobriety. Is he diagnosing me? Is he gonna do his job properly? So with my life, I can't.
This is quite interesting. Who's for Dr. Qwabe? Who's okay? Let's hear you. Yes, you beg to disagree. Let's hear why.
Because he's a professional doctor.
Number one, he's a professional doctor.
Yes. And he has a good record, an exceptional record. He was promoted at work. His patients love him. The nurses love him. He brings a different energy from other doctors. Okay? So I don't understand what they are saying because him smoking is outside of his profession. I understand if he's smoking in the ward. Because when he goes to the ward, probably they do what you know that those
The clinical routines that they'd have to do.
and again, there are doctors who are smoking. It's just that he came.
I was waiting for that point as a rebuttal to the smoking point, okay?
Yes, there are doctors who are smoking. It's just that and he's public about his smoking thing. So according to me, I don't see anything wrong with the doctor. I just think people are judging him because of getting public.
And his appearance.
Yes, his appearance, his classic height. Yeah, that's the main focus people have with him. But he is a doctor because of he is qualified, not because of how he looks. That's just the main focus, I think.
Can I just ask, you are noted. How many of you, when you go to a health facility, ask for the doctor's academic record? So you let people diagnose you without the knowledge of their academic record. How many of you in that facility ask whether they smoke or drink? before they diagnose you. How many of you ask their dress code outside of wearing that coat that they are wearing?
You must ask.
Okay, but it also raises an important aspect from a work perspective, ne? The impact of social media and your appearance online. Ne? Because what this raises is the issue of employers sometimes look at you through the eye of what you present to the world. So on that platform, it's a fun platform, singing, dancing, etc. But some employers have policies and code of conducts against that particular type of practice, where your social media must just be clean. In fact, go back. Again, now you are almost work ready. Go back to your social media as far as how long? Donkey years. Because even the CEOs of organizations have clean or dirty pasts, but they don't care when they are looking at whether they want to hire you or not. Because at some point they may want to play favorites, there may be issues of nepotism, and you are competing against someone whom you are better qualified or better suited for the position, but solely because they could find a loophole, then you don't get that particular position. So I plead with you first and foremost, deal with the issue of cleaning up your social media. Ne? Know who to block, know how to privatize certain things on your social media, but most importantly, things that you think from a career perspective can affect you, delete those. What's your take regarding HPCSA and the Dr. Qwabe situation? Should they be involved? Apparently there's a statement that they're not involved. How true is the statement? Should they? Should they not? So the situation now is that people on Twitter were calling for Dr. Qwabe to be, they were reporting him to the MEC for health in KZN. Well, appearance, smoking, those type of things. Stereotypical things. So HPCSA shouldn't be involved. Okay, I tend to agree with that. But there's elements where in future lectures we're going to discuss the element of HR, right? How you should present yourself in the workplace, because it all depends on the profession and the job itself, right? Because if now I'm a bartender and I have all my tattoos here, it's cool, it's well suited for the environment. But now in environmental health, you can't just come to work in like a short sleeve, all the tattoos. The tattoos are the rest of the long sleeve, because there's particular code of conduct, there's a certain way to dress that is considered professional, right? And well suited for the post in which you guys will be operating and working in. Some of you will be in private institutions where you need to go and meet clients, and there's a certain way of appearing, presenting, and dressing so that people on the other side can take you more seriously. So actually the Dr. Qwabe discussion is a very well suited one that came out of the blue in this particular lecture. Have a good evening, ladies and gents. End of a long day.